Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to stretch an image vertically in Photoshop. I applied two ways. Step 1, already create document, place and place your image, size, hold shift, then vertically wide, or see this is custom vertically. And step 2, go to file, open, already unlock to this image, simply unlock, double click to this lock, then unlock. Then again press Ctrl T, move and perfectly stretch image vertically. Simply go to edit tab, content or scale vertically perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.